Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about planners, as you can see, stationery. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, plus size fashion, food, vlogs, all these different things that I'm interested in, and I share videos about them. So if you like a mishmash of things, you might, and planners is one of those things, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. This video is a planner related stationery haul. I bought a few things. There are some kits, there are some happy planner bits, and I'm just going to show you what I got and tell you, because I've used some of these, tell you what I think. And yeah, that's what I'm going to film now. And let's begin with a coffee. Gonna have a little bit of coffee, and I'm going to start with, so I'm going to move everything aside and just start with the thing that is at the bottom, which is, I bought at the beginning of the year, and I was always forgetting to talk about it. I bought this, like, what do you call this? A desk planner. So because I wanted to put things in here that were boring and I didn't want them in my planner, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, and I use this as a mat for my keyboard and my mouse. So it's just, I like the fact that this is the first page, but September 2020 was, it's a 2020 and 2021 table, what are these called? Calendars. So you can write everything you want on it, and they were quite affordable. I got this off Amazon. I don't remember, like, I don't think I paid more than $5 for this, and it goes up until the end of September. The thing I like about it is that you can also use the page behind as like a brain dump or something where you're budgeting or whatever. I've started using mine. I'm not going to show you things I've put in here because I put in my weight and budgeting and things like that as well. But yeah, that's one thing I got. Now, moving on to some happy planner things. I bought off Zulily. If you don't know what Zulily is, it is a website where you can get products discounted and they can send them to you to the UK. They are way more affordable than Amazon, so I really like shopping from there. The only disadvantage is that it takes forever. It takes, like, well, not forever. It takes 2-3 weeks to come, and that's it. And they're not all the newest things, so they are old products that are just on sale. So another piece of advice: when you're ordering off Zulily, I would suggest that you order from the app, not the website, because I had difficulty paying when I was using the website. Just a tip. So first of all, I got this extension pack, which is the So Sassy one. You get a paper clip, you get some stickers. Hang on, let me just show you. Oh, here it is on the back. So you get 2 different types of pages. You get the So Sassy divider, you get a sticker sheet, and you get some, what do you call them, post-it notes. So that's one thing I got. I also got this gold and white happy planner get it done page, because extensions, because I liked how it had all these little, well, let me bring them up close. It had all these designs up here, and I'm going to use this for my planner. And I bought another extension pack, which is I got this because I liked the dividers and I want to switch up. So you get, what do you get? You get these dividers here at the bottom, and then you get these kinds of pages. So you get to-do lists, daily to-dos, you get all sorts. There's a planner bit there which is probably going to be out of date. Then you get some stickers. So hang on, let me just see what these ones look like. I'm curious now. I'm going to open this one. Let me just show you what you get in this one. Oh, the dividers look really pretty though. I'm happy with that. And yeah, So you get days, I think, yeah, you get daily to-dos, which is great. And then you get monthly notes, so that's cool. Days, I guess. And then you get things to focus on. And then I think this is like a 6-month undated planner. Yeah, that's what it is. Well, that's fine. You can just use this as extensions and just put things in. I like all these to-do things. And then you also get happy vibes, happy life, more, and all these different kind of extensions. So looking forward to using those. I then bought these are all from Zulily still, the Daydreamer accessory pack. But I think this is going to be a present, so I'm not going to open it. But this is it. And then I also got the Socialite, which is this one. And you get all these. You get these notes, sticky notes, and then you get stickers. I'll just show you quickly some of the stickers. Really nice stickers you can use in your planner. So those are the planner accessories I got. I bought some paper mat. I had never bought paper mat pens. These are felt tip pens, stylo pens, and they are 0.7. I like using 0.7, and you get all these different colors, and I got them when Amazon had them on offer. So I've been using them. I'm really happy with the way they write. I bought a kit. Now this is from the Little Thoughts store, and I bought this kit, and I thought it is very, very pretty, and I'm going to show you the kit. So let's open this. I'll probably use it in March. So this is Lovebirds. So a pretty kit. So you get this page, you get this page with all the boxes and icons and things. Oh, these are really nice. So then I also got black and white. So they're mini kits. This is with Paris and different things. And then black and white little icons. I don't like using everything that's in a sticker kit, so I usually buy mini kits now. So this is one kit, the black and white kit, and this is the Lovebirds kit, just if you want to have a look. So these are from, what's this called? The Little Thoughts shop. So that's that. I got those. I'll put these aside. And then what else did I get? I bought some stencils because I wanted to make a black and white spread where I'm using just stencils, and I bought these off Amazon, and you get loads, and they're just great for just using stencils. So you get all these different, I don't know if you'll be able to see these. Hang on, let me see if I can have something that's a bit darker for you to see. Here you go. So you get this one, you get this one, you get these shapes, lots and lots of stencils. There are loads of them. I really enjoy using them. Look at these beautiful flowers, so pretty, really nice to use. Hang on, it's in the picture. Really nice to use. So I've been using these in my planner because I don't use checklists, and you know, kits that have got loads of checklists and stuff, but you get loads. So I got, like, I don't know how many, but I have been using them, and I put them in my my pencil case. This is the right size. I think this was from Home Bargains, so it was a Christmas gift, and I really like it, and it just fits right, my stencils. Then finally, this wasn't a very big haul. Finally, I got some things from, I haven't mentioned this is, I've had this for ages, but I got some things off a store called colourful what? Hang on, I'll just show you. So this is for Joanna. It's nice how they have my name here. And let's see what the sticker kit is. Okay. I got this before Christmas and I forgot to mention it in a previous haul. I don't remember if so. This one is from Morello Paperie. So this one here. So you get this sample, and then this page. You get this, which is, hang on, I'm not showing you right. Home Sweet Home. This is the mini planner personal sheet, and it is Morello. I don't know what the thing is called, but these are the 2 pages. You get this washi tape little boxes, and then these ones here. And it also came with that. So that's from Morello. Then I also bought from Colourful and Co. Colourful and Co. Layering washi tape. Let me just show you what it looks like. So this is washi tape that you can layer. You can put it on top of things, and it's translucent, but you can still see the shape. So I got that, and I got this sticker sheet. So this one, and this one. So this is Home Sweet Home. This is the Home Sweet Home kit. So these are the 4 things, the 3 things that are in there, and these are the things that I got. And then finally, from Tilly Journals, I bought again some layering stickers, which again I bought ages ago but just forgot to mention them. So these corners, and then some leaves and sunflowers, which I'm going to use later on. So that is my mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, but remember, I don't just film planner videos, so you will see random stuff. I am at My Pink Rambles on Instagram. If you want to follow me, I'll follow you back. And I'll see you in my next video. I'm also going to film my Happy Planner flip through video now, like January and February. So yeah, if you want to see that video, just give this video a thumbs up and I'll show up somewhere in your YouTube suggestion list. So thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.